Hi there. How's your money? We're back again with yours truly, Cryptoella. In today's video, we're going to talk about one of the most sought-out blockchain hype, that is Enjin Coin. What is Enjin Coin? We all have read about people spending hundreds of thousands of dollars for fake real estate in a video game, and fake swords, also for video games. Enjin is a blockchain platform and marketplace designed for NFTs, like fake swords and make-believe land. In these modern times, many people are living in virtual worlds as much as they did in real ones, like going to virtual clubs or buying virtual stuff. Now this would be the kind of world Enjin Coin would flourish in. Enjin is a software that gives developers the ability to create and manage virtual goods on the Ethereum blockchain. The idea is that by using blockchain technology to manage in-game items across many different properties, Enjin can help reduce the high fees and fraud that have plagued the transfer of virtual in-game goods and collectibles. Central to managing the digital assets on its platform is ENJ, Enjin's cryptocurrency, and each in-game item created on Enjin is assigned a value in ENJ. Enjin's main use case is to enable users to manage and store virtual goods for games. These can range from in-game currencies to tokens representing unique game items, like swords or accessories for characters. For newcomers looking for new coins to add to their crypto portfolio, Enjin's roots are in gaming. The company was founded in 2009, when co-founders Wojciech Radomski and Maxim Baglaw created the Enjin Network. Enjin Network itself is a social gaming community platform that you might never heard before, since probably it's not related to the likes of PlayStation or Xbox games. That said, a blockchain game called The Six Dragons is supposedly coming to PlayStation 5. The Six Dragons enables players to craft NFTs using blockchain recipes created by other players, who are paid with cryptocurrency in return for their service. And Enjin is a part of that. Today, the Enjin Network has over 20 million users across more than 250,000 gaming communities. These are true gaming nerds, who want to keep their swords and space battle gear. Most games use an internal, centralized database to represent items. While this is fast and cheap, players are on the losing end, as they don't truly own their gaming items or the progress they make in-game. If the game shuts down, all progress and items are lost. Decentralized NFT items give you true ownership of those items. Blockchain-based items can be more easily integrated into multiple platforms, allowing cross-platform collaborations between game developers and big gaming brands like Minecraft. Since launching their NFT platform, Enjin has backed over 1.14 billion blockchain assets containing 12.5 million worth of ENJ coins that have been created, and some 127,000 users currently hold ENJ. In April, they launched JumpNet, which is a fee-free blockchain that allows users to complete instant, gas-free transactions for ENJ and Ethereum ERC-1155 smart contract assets. Through a bridge, ENJ can be moved over to JumpNet, where it can be used for its intended purpose to mint carbon-negative NFTs without transaction fees. JumpNet led to the creation of over 6.2 million assets that have been minted fee-free on JumpNet. Minting is what you do when you create a virtual sword, for instance, backed by Enjin Coin. The Enjin platform now has over 95,000 registered users, up from around 36,000 in January. Over 830,000 items have been traded on the Enjin marketplace since 2017. The Enjin wallet and crypto and NFT app has been downloaded over 2.3 million times. Currently, Enjin are working with over 55 game and app developers in an official capacity as part of the Enjin Adopter Program. The core utility of ENJ is to directly back the value of blockchain items. Enjin acts as a guarantee of value and certificate of authenticity. ENJ can be extracted from the items through a process called melting. So, if you own a sword for a game that you no longer play, you could always melt the item down to receive the ENJ value from within or trade it on a marketplace. Right now, we see a future where gaming economies become as complex and nuanced as those in the real world, with gamers wanting to own every piece of their player experiences. This will move the social paradigm past user-generated content and more toward user-generated value, where people can create products and services for each other in the digital world, powered by blockchain technology and NFTs. Enjin Coin are building an NFT ecosystem that will give businesses, developers, and the gamer audience everything they need to create, integrate, trade, distribute, and utilize NFTs. This new reality will provide incredible opportunities for socialization, creativity, economic activity, and social mobility. Overall, if you love gaming, you live in the internet, and you're looking to keep your things safe and sound for years to come, there is no reason not to buy Enjin Coin right away. So in short, that is all the news regarding our beloved Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies today, straight away from yours truly, the Cryptoella. Before you leave, make sure you click the like button, share the video, leave a comment down below, and subscribe so you may get notified on our latest videos. Have a great one, and bye.